Good morning, students. How do you do? Did you have your breakfast? What about your online class? Did you go through the lesson, the historical place? Now, today is Wednesday. We have gone through this lesson on Monday and on Tuesday. See the book here. Do you have your book? Did you get your book? Otherwise, get your book, second term book. Don't fail to get your book. Get your book soon. It will be useful for you in the online class. Now, come to page number. Here, see. Page number 73, historical place. We have gone through page number 74, 75, 76 and 77. We have completed this lesson. Now we have the meaning glossary. Architecture means the art of making buildings is called architecture. Next one, monuments, a building, structure or site that is of historical importance, that is monuments. Museum, place of exhibition. Here you have the recap. There is a history behind every monument. It tells about the story, the historical story. Every monument tells about the historical story. Here monuments in Mahabalipuram were built by Pallavas. Who built the Mahabalipuram monuments? It was built by Pallavas. Then St. George Fort, which is in Chennai. It is the first English fort. Then Thiruvalluvar statue, which is in Kanyakumari, is 133 feet tall. Next one, Tanjavur Periya Koil was built by Rajaraja Cholan. It is also known as Bragadishwara Koil. Jinji Fort in Viluppuram district. Here you have two Jinji forts, that is King Jinji Fort and Queen Jinji Fort. That is in Viluppuram. If you have a chance, try to go and visit all these historical places. Now come to page number 84. You have evaluation here. Just I'll give you the answers for this evaluation. Here, choose the correct answer. First one, Seashore temples is at, first one, Mahabalipuram is the correct answer. Mahabalipuram. Seashore temple is at Mahabalipuram. First one. Second one, Fort St. George is at Chennai. We have the second answer, that is Chennai. There are dash styles of architectures at Mahabalipuram. There are 4 types of architectures at Mahabalipuram. Then fourth one is Thiruvalluvar Road, Thirukural. Fourth one is Thirukural. Fifth one is Nandi in Tanjavur Periya Koil was built with single stone. The correct option is single stone. Next one. Come to match. Match the following. Vivekananda Rock. Where is Vivekananda Rock? It is in Kanyakumari. First one is Kanyakumari. Now students, match the following. Vivekananda Rock. Answer for Vivekananda Rock is Kanyakumari. First one is Kanyakumari. Second one, museum. Museum is St. George Fort. Second one is St. George Fort. Third one, Jinji Fort. It is in Viluppuram. Third one is Viluppuram. Fourth one, Mahabalipuram. It is Pallavas, built by Pallavas. Mahabalipuram temple was built by Pallavas, fourth one. Then Periya Koil, Cholas. Again I'll repeat, Vivekananda Rock is in Kanyakumari. Museum, St. George Fort. Third one, Jinji Fort, Viluppuram. Mahabalipuram, Pallavas. Fifth one, Periya Koil, Cholas. Next we can go to answer the following. What are inside the fort of St. George? Turn to page number 77. You write the page number 77 here in this question and turn to page number 77. You are having the answer in page number 77. Page number 77, first one, see here, shopkeeper. The dialogue of shopkeeper. The fort has a museum and a church. The fort has a museum and a church. The Secretariat of Tamil Nadu is also inside the fort. This is the answer. Mark it as 1. Mark it as 1, the third Roman letter and 1. This is the answer for third Roman letter. First one, answer. The fort has a museum and a church. The Secretariat of Tamil Nadu is also inside the fort. This is the answer for the first question. Now turn to page number 85. The second question, write a short note on Thiruvalluvar statue. Write a short note on Thiruvalluvar statue. Now the answer is in page number 78. Write as page number 78. Then come to page number 78. Turn to page number 78. It is, here you have, it is 133 feet tall. It is 133 feet tall. Write as third Roman letter, second. Answer for the second question. It is 133 feet tall. Short note on Thiruvalluvar statue. And another, here you have to write something about Thiruvalluvar statue. The statue is built on a rock. You also mark this one. The statue is built on a rock surrounded by Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. You have to write page number 78 and also 79. Short note on Thiruvalluvar statue. You have to give the important points about Thiruvalluvar statue. First one, you say it is 133 feet tall. And the second point is the statue is built on a rock. It is built on a rock which is surrounded by Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. You have to write these 2 points. Mark it as Roman number 3. Sorry children, wait. Name the 3 bodies which are surrounded the Thiruvalluvar statue. Don't. Second one, you have the answer. Write short note on Thiruvalluvar statue means you write 133 feet tall and it reminds the 133 adhikarams or chapters. Also mark this as third Roman number, second. You write these 2 points. It is 133 feet tall and Thirukural has 133 adhikarams or chapters. These 2 points you write. These 2 points are enough. And again for third question, page number 79. For second question, page number 78, you have 2 points. First one is 133 feet tall and second one is Thirukural has 133 adhikarams or chapters. That's all. For third one, it is surrounded by Here the statue is built on a rock which is surrounded by Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. What are the three water bodies which are surrounded the Thiruvalluvar statue? You can simply write Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. If you are not able to study these sentences, you can simply write Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Okay students, the fourth one is who built Thanjavur Periya Koil? Write about the special features of the temple. Turn to page number 80. The Thanjavur Periya Koil was built by Rajaraja Cholan. Write Roman number 3 and write the answer 4. And another question, write any special feature of the temple. You can write only one special feature or you can write both. The Nandi inside the temple was built using a single stone. This you have to write. And also interesting fact, the shadow of the main temple does not fall on the ground. Also mark this answer and the Nandi inside the temple, and it was built by Rajaraja Cholan. This is the fourth one. Answer for fourth one. Describe the Jinji fort. Turn to page number 82 now. Jinji fort. This is the oldest fort in Tamil Nadu. This is one of the oldest fort in Tamil Nadu. You have to write this. Now your question answer is finished. Now read the question answer, write the question answer as homework and submit it children. Thank you children.